Hello, my name is Karim Arafat. I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Bosch Communication Systems for the Middle East region. Today I am at ISE stand for Bosch Communication Systems, and I would like to introduce our newest PAVA system family, PRAESENSA, which is a completely IB-based PAVA system featuring effective power utilization, where we have two options of the amplifiers, 8 channels and 4 channels, 600 watt on each, with flexible power output and with built-in backup amplifier. We see a huge reduction in the form factor of the devices, where we have the amplifier and the controller in one U in the rack, which saves a lot of rack space and eventually saves the total system cost. As we see, we have a built-in Ethernet switch already certified, built in each and every device. And we see the multifunction power supply, which is a 3-in-1 device, which is the main power source for the system connected directly to the mains. And it's the main DC power source for feed the amplifier and the controller. And it also having the input and output connectivity to other devices and systems like fire alarm. For call stations, we have a attractive new design for the call station. As you can see here, it's completely touchscreen based, where we can make voice announcements on selected zones, and also we can control background music in selected zones as well, in terms of source selection and for volume control. We have two versions of that. We have the table mount version and the wall mount version as well. One very nice feature, also as an add-on to the system, is what we call the APAS, or the Advanced PA Server, where we can connect wirelessly to the system, and we can have like a mobile operational tool for PRAESENSA, where we can also make announcements, we can support text-to-speech, built-in messages, music control, schedule, and history of logs. Thank you very much. Come and visit us. See you around.